Welcome to this tutorial on how to bundle products on Shopify. A great way to increase average order value and boost sales. Bundling products allows you to offer multiple items at a discounted price, making it a win-win for both you and your customers. First, you need to create a new product in your Shopify store. This will be the bundle product. Go to the Products section and click on Add Product. Enter a title and description for the bundle, and make sure to select the product type as a bundle. Next, you need to add the products that will be included in the bundle. You can do this by clicking on the Add Variant button and selecting the products you want to include. You can add multiple products to the bundle by repeating this process. Now, you need to set the price for the bundle. You can either set a fixed price or a price based on the total price of the individual products. Make sure to also set the Compare It price, which will show the original price of the individual products, so customers can see the discount they are getting. To make the bundle more attractive, you can add a discount to the bundle. You can do this by going to the Discounts section and creating a new discount. Select the bundle product and set the discount amount or percentage. It is also important to set up the inventory for the bundle. You can do this by going to the Inventory section and selecting the bundle product. Make sure to set the inventory quantity to the lowest quantity of the individual products, so you do not oversell the bundle. Best practices for bundling products include making sure the products are complementary and relevant to each other, and that the discount is attractive enough to incentivize customers to buy the bundle. You should also make sure to clearly communicate the bundle and its benefits to your customers through product descriptions and marketing campaigns. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective product bundles that drive sales and increase customer satisfaction. Remember to monitor the performance of your bundles and make adjustments as needed to optimize their effectiveness. With Shopify, creating product bundles is easy and can be a great way to grow your business.